To start, I'll be using the ED Advanced Perfect Eye Concealer on the shade Medium. Gently blend the product into your skin. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this EB Pro Brow Liner on the shade Fling. As much as possible, I want my eyebrows to look natural. Use a spoolie to even out the products on your eyebrows. I'll be using the same concealer to prime my eyelids and blend it evenly. For the eyes, I'll be using this Uncover 2 eyeshadows from EB Advanced. Don't forget to blend the eyeshadows to avoid the harsh lines. For the mascara and eyeliner, I'll be using this EV Pro Eyecolor Duo Mascara and Eyeliner. To set my face, I'll be using this EV Matte Dewy Cake Pressed Powder on the shade Matte White Ivory. To give my skin a natural radiance, I'll be using this EV Pro Cheek Set for the contour and blush. To highlight some areas of my face, I'll be using this EV Advanced Glowout Highlighter on the shade Strobe. Since we have a smoky eye, I'll be using a red lipstick to pop up a color on our face. I'll be using this EV Advanced Lip Define Matte Matic Lipstick on the shade Stark Mauve. Lip stain will make our red lipstick last longer. And that's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and always remember that no one is you and that is your superpower. Bye!
Thursday.